What if I told you the loudest, most aggressive off-road beast just went completely silent? And it's actually more powerful? For decades, if you wanted the ultimate off-road apex predator, you needed a massive, roaring V8. But what happens when you take the most aggressive truck on the planet and completely rip out the engine? You don't get a weaker truck. You get a silent, deadly monster. Welcome to the 2027 Ford F-150 Lightning Raptor. Today, we are popping the hood on a major shift in modern automotive design. No gears, no belts. Just raw, instant electric, torque, and a massive front frunk that will make you forget gas ever existed. Don't click away, because the off-road telemetry on this thing is going to blow your mind. Look at this stance. Ford didn't just slap a battery in a Raptor. They re-engineered the entire skeleton. Up front, you have that iconic, massive Ford block lettering across the grille, but it's flanked by these striking, aerodynamic LED light bars. It screams high performance while cutting through the air like a bullet. And let's talk about the rear. The Raptor R badging isn't just for show. Beneath this heavy-duty tailgate is a reinforced, independent rear suspension designed specifically to handle the immense weight and instant torque of the electric motors. It's wider, it's meaner, and it looks like a spaceship built for the Baja 1000. Step inside, and it feels less like a pickup truck and more like a fighter jet. The luxury in here is next level. We are looking at a dark, PREM leather interior heavily accented with tactical, carbon fiber trim and aggressive, Raptor red stitching. But the absolute crown jewel is the center console. Right in the middle is a massive, high-definition infotainment screen that acts as your off-road command center. It gives you real-time EV metrics, pitch and roll angles, tire pressure, and steering data. Those metallic climate control dials? Machined to absolute perfection. It's the perfect blend of rugged durability and hyper-premium luxury. Now, here is where the 2027 Lightning Raptor changes the game entirely. Pop the hood, and there is no massive block of metal screaming for oil. Instead, you are greeted by the Mega Power Frunk. This isn't just an empty storage space. It's a mobile power station, capable of running a campsite, power tools, or even your house in an emergency. Because it doesn't have the heavy mechanics of a traditional combustion engine up front, the weight distribution is drastically lower. This means when you hit the pedal, the quad motor setup delivers instant, terrifying torque directly to all four wheels simultaneously. We are talking 0 to 60 in times that will embarrass exotic Italian supercars. The 2027 Ford F-150 Lightning Raptor proves that the future of extreme off-roading isn't loud, it's fast, smart, and completely electric. Is this the ultimate Cybertruck killer? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe 40 Car.